Welcome to EDI Golf League 2023. It is a balmy 51 degrees and a little dappling of rain. Can't believe anybody's not here. Fucking awesome. It's right there down the middle. Oh, baby. A little bit to the right, but still on the fairway. Right down the middle, baby. Hopefully I get past that fucking ditch. I think I did. Wally always seems to put his in the cornfield to the left, so keep that in mind. Can't win them all. That's right down the middle. Right in the middle of the fairway. That went right down the middle. I suspect you're going to find that in a nice spot on the fairway.